Hi, I'm Kirk. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Normally I'm jumping in the computer and showing you tips and tricks in Excel and other Microsoft products. But today I just wanted to talk to you about the two most important mindsets that we as small business owners need to avoid. The first mindset is we've always done it that way. To me, that is one of the biggest business killers out there. Those people with that mindset for their business, those businesses become stagnant. There is no growth to them. And your business has its own life, and we need to be nurturing that life. We need to be growing it. We need to be constantly working on it. We need to be evaluating our processes, our product. How can we make our processes run more efficiently? Our product, how can we make our product better to reach today's market? If we stop doing those things, your competitors are out there and they're just going to step right in and take over your market. It's as simple as that. So you need to keep growing your business. On the same side, we as people need to continue to grow. We can't just say, I've always done it that way. You're not going to get anywhere in today's society. Personal story, when I started my company, we always wrote things in notebooks or ledgers. Imagine if I had the mindset, writing in a notebook and writing stuff in a ledger still does the same job. It's good enough. I would venture to say if I still did that, I would not be here talking with you today. We have had a growth pattern. We've had a mindset from pretty much day one of how do we do things better. And that has enabled us to get through many highs and lows over the past decades. And I just would encourage you all to keep evaluating, keep learning, keep trying, keep failing, and don't give up. Learn from your failures, learn from your mistakes, adapt again, learn some more, and then keep trying. Never give up. The second most important mindset to avoid as a small business owner is our customers will never leave us. You can never take your customers for granted as a small business owner. I wrote these stats down because they're staggering. The cost of acquiring a new client is 5 to 25 times more expensive than retaining your existing clients. 5 to 25 times more expensive. That's pretty staggering stat. The next one is the success rate of selling to an existing customer is 60 to 70% versus the success rate of selling to a new customer is only 5 to 20%. So again, that is pretty amazing as well. Just had an experience myself with one of my vendors where I've been a client of theirs for over 13 years. And during COVID with all of my vendors, we reached out to them, we talked to them, how can we rework things? And this one vendor, they would not budge at all. It was dealing with our GPS units for our vehicles, and some of the units, because of COVID, we had a couple months where travel stopped completely, and sadly our vehicles sat. But coming back to life, some of our GPS units wouldn't turn on, and we need to get them replaced. And our vendor wouldn't budge on it. And I wasn't looking for free, but they didn't understand my pain point. They didn't understand where I was coming from, and they never called back with a solution to my pain point. Had they called back and said, Kirk, we understand where you're coming from. Let's work together on this. We'll devise a plan for, you know, a 12-month plan, a 24-month plan. They never did that. In the meantime, I had other competitors of theirs knocking on our door, selling us brandy dandy new equipment and working everything into the contract. And it blew my mind. And I called the vendor back because I'm very loyal that way. And still, it was dead air on the other end of the phone. And you can't have that mindset. I looked back, and my lifetime value to that vendor was almost $51,000. And had they had a solution for my pain point, I would have stayed with them, and I would have spent probably another 50 grand with them. So my lifetime value to them was well over 100,000, and because of $700, and them not wanting to work with me to spread that out over a 12-month or 24-month plan, they lost $50,000. And that's what I'm trying to drive home to you guys. You need to treat your customers like their family. You need to realize their lifetime value, and are you gonna, you know, not budge on a $20, a $50, $100, couple $100 issue? Or are you going to look at the big picture and realize, hey, if I keep giving them value, if I swallow and offer them this, what is their mindset going to be going forward? Am I going to be the hero in their eyes? And then me being the hero, who are they going to talk to? Who are they going to recommend us to? And as you can see, it's like a domino effect. So always, always, always never take your customers for granted. Never think that they're always going to be there for you. Client retention is huge, huge. And you need to be dealing with that every single day. While you're growing your company, client retention. Call them, text them, build relationships with them. Honest, true relationships. Don't treat them like a number. Treat them like family. Hey, I hope you got a lot out of this little talk that we just had. I greatly appreciate that you're here with us. If you did get something out of it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you real soon.